How can I have more connection? Open to us, open to your heart, the love inside. That is you, the true you, the true you, the truth of you is love. Much love. Open yourself to love. Love yourself, all the parts of yourself. Love. Joy is the key and love is the answer. Love is the answer to everything. It's everything. Love is everything. Love is the force that maintains everything. It's love, only love. Love is all. All there is love. The more love you put into yourself, the more love you will be, the more love you will connect to us. Because we are love. Love for yourself, for others, for everything. For your life, for earth, for everything. Everything. This is not a love from the mind. It's a love deep inside. It's a love that is unlocked by being. It's the love of the heart. The love, the deep love. It's not the attachment. It's not mental attachment. It's pure love. It's deeper. It's reverence, respect, appreciation, gratitude for what is, for all that you are, and for all that is. Recognizing that we are one, and that all there is you also. That all is perfect, because all is well, and all is done in the perfection of everything. Because what is true is love. There is only love. Nothing else is true. So you can only love everything. All is allowed. And that is fine. For all is an experience, is a lesson, is an expansion. For going back to love. Going back to love. This is the path. This is the way. Returning to the love. Love for yourself, for the others. From the mind, it's very difficult. Because the mind doesn't know love. It knows attachment, it knows judgment, separation. And we love it so much, we have so much compassion because we know how much it's hard to be in this place of fear, of fighting, be separated from everything else. From our place, love is easy, love is. There is only connection, unity, oneness. There is the peace of all. There is the knowing that all is one, and all there is love. There is trust and faith and confidence. There is harmony. There is peace. There is reverence and awe for all, enchantment for everything, all the creation. There is curiosity and wonder and magic about everything, for everything is such a gift and such a magical experience. It's such a incredible thing. All these things, all these creations, so much love for all the creations and for all the creation. There is love and a deep sense of connection and gratitude for everything that exists, because we see that all is connected, and it brings so much peace and joy, so much love, so much It's beyond words, this feeling of connection. It's like everyone holding hands, and we are not only speaking about humans, but it's as if all the creations were holding hands together, and there is only love, and this intention of expansion into love, of sharing the light, of being. And there is only love, there is never any judgment. For we know sometimes things are needed. For example, hurt people. We love you, we love you, we love you, we thank you.